baby, fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Korean dogs. Yes, the Korean dogs. I do. I truly do. Look, I have different styles. I have cucumbers on the side, seasoned. I have one with the mustard mayo. Not mustard and ketchup. I have some with the potatoes in it. Then I have the one with the brown sugar, and I have a regular one, original one with just mozzarella cheese. But I'm about to try all of them. And I have some mayo sriracha sauce that I made that I'm gonna try with the one with the potatoes. Okay. And I have a drink here. Bay or Bay Boost is a watermelon drink. Is Wa'amu strawberry watermelon. that's what it say on there. At least that's what it say to me. Alright, I'm gonna start off with a prayer, and then I'm gonna start taking bites. Amen and amen again. All right, have a straw for my drink. Let me try it. By the way, I get these drinks, like these different kind of drinks from Dollar General. It's okay. It's okay. Watermelon taste, but it's all right. It's all right. Let me bite a cucumber first. Let me let y'all bite a cucumber first. Now, y'all know I usually have the miniature cucumber. Just the regular size. Let me see if my cheese still has the pull. I'm gonna let y'all bite. I made these by myself, just to let y'all know. Just a little bit. Not like it should. I don't know if I had to. I'm getting a little bit warmer, but it's good. It's really good. Definitely didn't have a pull right now. This is the brown sugar one, but it's good. That's the original. No pull, and no pull has the cheese out. It's my first time, y'all. But I'm telling you, it's so good. So good. Let me try one potato. Y'all bite it. I'm gonna try this sriracha and mayo. See how this tastes. Still no pull. I think it's because I let it sit and cool off for a little bit. right out of the fryer. But they're all really good. Like I try them. This actually has the hot dog at the bottom. Cheese at the top. I'm gonna try this one. Y'all take the first bite of that one too. Same thing. And with the cheese pull, but the cheese is definitely in there. And that's definitely good as well. They're all so good. Mm. Mm. Now, will I make this again? Yes. At first, I was like, nah. If I get the cheese pull, all that stuff good. I'm not. But I'll definitely make it again. Y'all, I'm back. Like, I stepped off because I could not be defeated with this cheese pull. I'm going to get it because I'm not making this again. You know how messy this is? Messy is... It's really bad. It's that bad. That it's so bad. So I'm gonna see if I can get this cheese pull at top. Mm-hmm. Go ahead, though. We need it. I left it there chilling too long. That cheese pull is real. I think I'm making this again. I got the game twisted. It's over after this. This I buy it from the store. Alright, this is the brown. This was the original one. Remember, this is the brown sugar. Hot. It's still pulling cheese. Y'all know this is one, and we lost the cheese in the beginning. Add some more to it. Had a little pull to it. I was not doing this again on my own. It's messy as hell. I wish I could spend all the videos when I'm like, what is going on? It's like you're making pancakes, but it's messier. Nobody got time for that. Nobody, even me. What's the potato one? Put the sriracha on it. Let's see how this one pulls. Hopefully it pulls. The pull is a real. It's a real. I didn't reheat this one because it got all the stuff on it. But it was good, so I'm gonna take a bite of this. It was definitely good. It actually tastes like a dog. You can tell there's a hot dog inside there. It was a beef dog. Agnes beef dog. Mmm. That dog is definitely not there. It's good. I just want to cook it no more. Got too much going on. I mean, I probably was talking junk right now, but some more sriracha in there. This is my first time trying these, by the way. But they're good. Y'all see that cheese pull? The girl got it. She definitely got it. So good. By the way, this is the first and the last time you'll see me eating these, especially especially when I cooked it. Oh no. Especially when I cooked it. Last time you'll see me eating it. Cause it's work. Making these is definitely work. Definitely work. Woo. Well, I turned it on the wrong side. But anyhow. This is so full off of these because it's bread. Really quick. But it's good. It sounds like supposed to be a dog in it. Hold on. And bites aside. There's definitely a dog in here. See the dog? There you go. A beef dog. I'm gonna enjoy to see that. So good. I told y'all your girl can get the cheese pull. I was not playing. I mean, it took a minute. It took another heating it up, but only because I let it sit there and it start chilling. So it was no longer warm. But your girl got it. Y'all saw that cheese pull. You saw it. Anywho, I'm about to actually end this video because I've been chatty whack, whatever, talking long enough. I killed those cucumbers. Oh, there we go. There we go. Anyway, I am done. I'm definitely full. I'm not going to try to play like, look at it. Oh, it's about to take the whole thing off the stick. But look at it. That cheese pool is pulling the whole thing apart. The girl's done. Anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn up those post notifications so you'll know when my next video upload. Until next time, see ya.